In this video, I'm gonna go over 5 easy side hustles that you can do using AI. Now, if you get any value from this video at all, be sure to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so that you're notified anytime I upload similar videos. And also, it would mean a lot to me. So let's get right into it. Side hustle number 1 is to create and sell bookmarks. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then let's take a look at this Etsy shop right here. Pink Mango Print Co. is selling bookmarks on Etsy for $11.99, and they have over 1,200 reviews. So that means they've made $14,000 just selling these bookmarks on Etsy. Not bad. Now, how do we do this? Step number 1 is to come up with a bookmark idea. Now, if you don't have any ideas on your own, that's totally fine. We can go ahead and use ChatGPT to get ideas for bookmark designs. So let's go on into ChatGPT, and I'm gonna enter in the prompt for specific bookmark design ideas. And look at what this comes up with within seconds. I'm gonna pick Dreamy Night Sky. So now I'm gonna go into another AI tool called Stable Diffusion. And in Stable Diffusion, I'm gonna enter in the prompt Dreamy Night Sky. And look at what beautiful images Stable Diffusion comes up with. Now all you have to do is download that and then paste it into another website called canva.com, which is an online graphic designing tool, but it's super simple and straightforward to use. Anyone can do it, I promise. So on Canva, we're just gonna look up bookmark template, and you literally go ahead and copy and paste the image from Stable Diffusion into Canva, and it's not copyrighted, it's completely legal, there's no issues with it. And there you go, that's your bookmark design. Now, if you want to take the really easy way out, then you can sell this bookmark as a digital bookmark file on Etsy. That means you're only selling the digital file on Etsy and you don't have to ship anything out or anything like that. Or you could go ahead and take the extra step and print out the bookmark, laminate it, and then sell it on Etsy and then ship it out whenever someone buys it. Which I know might sound a lot harder or more cumbersome than it actually is, but it's really not that bad. And you can churn these bookmarks out fairly quickly and make a lot of money doing it. AI side hustle number 2 is to sell AI stickers. What am I talking about? Let's go ahead and check out this Etsy seller here. This Etsy seller, Sunscoop Arts, is selling these stickers starting at $3.82, and the shop has over 14,000 reviews. So if we take that and multiply it, dang, this shop is making at least more than $53,000 just from selling stickers. Not bad for some extra side hustle pocket money. And not to mention, you can totally turn this into a full-time income. Now the important part, how do we do this? Again, if you're creative unlike myself, then you may already have ideas for what types of stickers you want to do. But if not, that's totally fine. Let's go over to ChatGPT, and you're gonna enter in, give me 5 cartoon sticker ideas. And look at what this comes up with. I'm gonna go ahead and use cartoon ice cream cone as an example. Okay, so same thing like we did before. We're just gonna go into Stable Diffusion now, and we're gonna enter in the prompt cartoon ice cream cone, and let's see what it comes up with. Here we go. So we're just gonna take this and download it. If you wanna take the easy route with these, then you can go ahead and sign up for a print on demand site, and they will help you create these stickers, print them out, and ship them. So you don't have to do any of that. Or if you wanna go the extra step because you have a printer at home, then you can buy sticker paper and print these out and cut them yourself. And again, it sounds like a lot of work, but it's really not that bad, and it's pretty quick and fun. AI side hustle number 3 is to design t-shirts and sell them. You can create t-shirts very easily and sell them, and no, you don't actually have to sit there with any sort of hot pressing tool, I don't even know what it's called, and make physical t-shirts. No, you don't have to do that. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go back into ChatGPT, and we're gonna enter in the prompt, give me 5 specific t-shirt design ideas. And here's what it comes up with. Okay, and we're just gonna do the same thing that we did with the AI sticker designs. Now you can go into Stable Diffusion and do exactly what we've done, where you enter in the prompt and it'll come out with graphic images that you can actually put on the t-shirt. Or you can use Canva to do this, which I get it may be a little bit more hands-on, but if you are the creative type, then you might have a lot of fun with this. And Canva has a lot of really good templates, so there's really not a ton of work that you have to do. So in my opinion, I think Canva has a lot more options to be a little bit more creative with this one. But anyway, once you have your t-shirt design, you're going to sign up for a print-on-demand store, such as Printify, and you're gonna upload your t-shirt design. And then that's it. Now, anytime someone orders a t-shirt from you, the print-on-demand store will automatically print out the design on a t-shirt and will ship the shirt to the customer. So you are not creating t-shirts and you are not shipping it. It's all done for you. You're completely hands off at this point, and really you're just using the AI tools to come up with the design for the t-shirt. You can even use the AI tools or ChatGPT to come up with affirmations or quotes or some text that you just want to put on a shirt. It doesn't have to be graphics. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how print on demand works, then leave me a comment below and I'll make sure to get that video out soon. And number 4, this one is a cash cow. But number 4 is to start a faceless YouTube automation channel. A faceless YouTube automation channel is just what it sounds like. It's a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your face. So it's unlike this channel where I am sitting in front of the camera talking to you, showing my face. Instead, a faceless channel is made up of videos that are basically like slideshows of images and stock footage with a person talking over it. These could be things like documentaries, top 10 lists, the list goes on, and there's so many YouTube channels doing this, and they're making literally hundreds and thousands of dollars, even millions, doing this. And the best part is you can use different AI tools to create all of these faceless videos. So you really don't have to put in that much work. And if you want to know exactly step by step how to do that, that's exactly what I go over in this video here. So I'll catch you in the next video.